Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Around the globe, smuggling wildlife through airports is on the rise. Between 2009 and 17, more than 99,000 pounds of elephant ivory and 4,200 pounds of rhino tusks, along with 131,564 reptiles, were seized at various airports. Organized crime has infiltrated airports in 136 countries, and they're transporting ivory, rhino horns, shark fins, reptiles, birds, mammals, including my favorite little creatures, the pangolins. That's what the Wildlife Trade Monitoring Network, called Traffic, found in their released report in plain sight, which involved 8 organizations, including the United States Agency for International Development. Ladies and gentlemen, 20,000 elephants are brutally raped, looted, and hacked each year. 1,500 rhinos are savagely murdered each year. More than 7,000 animals are in grave danger of extinction from a $20 billion illegal planet-killing organized crime syndicate. Please, for heaven's sakes, help our kin, the animals, by never purchasing any animal products. Also, please, I beg of you, become a vegan, embrace compassion, protect all animals. We're in the midst of the 6th mass extinction right now, and it's happening a minimum of 1,000 times faster than the previous 5 others. Please support traffic.org. Hashtag resist. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love is the solution. Hashtag love nature. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners, so don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, drreese.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, have a look around. You'll find the library is a rich resource of information. Pick yourself up any number of books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, life, the wonder of it all, Save Nature Now, and my latest book, Love Nature. Just do it, drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.